Boya came out with a new Wi-Fi microphone called the BOYALINK. A very cool modular concept that works with Apple, with Android and all other regular microphone jacks. It's super portable and compact, and this really is an all-in-one 2.4 GHz wireless stereo microphone system with the latest tech, and it certainly also looks great. But does it also deliver great sound quality? Let's find out. I got the new drip from Boya, the BOYALINK Wi-Fi microphone system. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. Check it out, that's the box right here. This on the side, this on the other side, this on the top, it says 2 years, this on the bottom, and lastly the back. So let's open it up. This will slide out. 2 inserts, one with the microphone case, well, with the whole system actually. Nice. And the other one with all the accessories. So let's get right to it. First of all, we will get a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. In here we have all the paperwork, certified quality, vendor information right here. And here we have the multi-language user manual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last page. Nice, comprehensive manual. And lastly, we will also get a nice pouch for carrying it so that it won't get scratched up. That's what it looks like. A nice fabric, and it can be closed like this. So again, the paperwork, the cable and the pouch. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we go. What a beautiful case button. Nice. So bit of protection still on it. This, and also this. Oh wow. This is actually a magnetic case. Beautiful. Looking really nice. Excellent mold right there. Really shiny and just perfect. And this is not just a case, this is also a charging case with a battery indicator, rubber feet on the bottom. Really nice. And the microphones, they kind of look like candy bars. Looking really nice. So yeah, let's take a close look. So let's start here. I would consider these accessories. These are the windscreens, and as you can see, you can just put them onto the microphone with a twisting motion. It will actually snap in place. Really nice windscreens. Then we have the microphones. On top we have the microphone, and on the bottom the USB-C port for charging it. But they can of course also be charged in the case, and for this we need to remove that to expose the contacts. There is another one right there. Actually the clips are protected as well. Nicely protected. Then on the right side we have the buttons with the plus minus and the mute button or the on off button, well, 2 in 1. And on the other side we have details, lastly top and bottom, so just nice branding on top, and on the bottom we have the clip so that we can clip it to a shirt or something like that. So done with the TX, let's move on to the RX, the receiver. Nice. There is also a protective film on here. Nice branding on top. Right here we have the mono stereo selector switch, and right here we have the on-off button. On the back we have the charging contacts and also the contacts for the pin and the release mechanism. Then again on this side we have the details, the fine print. On one side the USB-C port for charging your device while using the microphones, and the other side is just blank. Then we also have the different plugs. So we have the standard one for the microphone jack. Then we have the USB-C plug, and then we also have the lightning plug. And depending if you're using a phone or a camera, you can just slide them in. This will lock in place, and to remove it you need to pull this down and you can slide it out. Again with the lightning, and one last time with the USB-C one. Absolutely genius. And here we have the case for charging all the components. So we have the mic right here, the second one right here, and it's very dim, but there is a red light indicating that it's charging. Then we of course have the adapters, and you can actually fit all 3 of them in here, no problem. And then we also have the receiver, just like that. And then we can also put in the windscreen and close it up. Nice design. When you press this button, this is the release mechanism for the case and also the trigger for the 4-segment battery indicator. Then this is it from the side, nicely around it. The back with the hinge and the USB-C charging port, of course. And here we have the bottom with the rubber feet and more details. And this won't go anywhere. Super stable thanks to the feet. Pretty cool. Not bad, right? So let's get to more testing. These will work straight out of the box, so all that we need to do is to plug this into the camera. Mono or stereo, well, I will still use the stereo mode, but you can split the channels later anyways. I think this is better in any case compared to the mono down mix. And then let's grab a mic and let's turn it on. This light will light up blue. It's now on, as well as this one right here, blue and blue. And when I turn this off, alright, then this will blink blue, so when it's lighting up constantly, then it is connected. Then right here we have the switch, and check this out. I'm now on the lowest setting, it will blink, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will blink, notifying me that I'm all the way on the other end. Let's give this a quick test with a phone to visualize the waveform. So let's plug it in and let's see. So it's clearly working. I will now go on the lowest setting, put it to my mouth. So test 1, 2, test 1, 2. One more, test 1, 2, 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 one more, test 1, 2. And we are on the highest setting. And this is what it looks like. And now all the way back to the lowest setting. And as you can see, the waveform is getting considerably smaller. And when you're recording a quiet signal, then just bump up the gain. And when you're recording a quiet signal, then just bump up the gain. Perfect. And when you're done using them, just put them back in the case. They will charge automatically. They will revert to the charging mode, perfectly stored and ready for the next mission. So here we go with an outdoor test. As you can tell from the background, it's very windy. That's why I brought the windscreen. So that should be better. I'm on setting 2 or 3 when it gets to the gain. And when you press the plus and minus button simultaneously, then the light will turn to green and then the noise cancelling mode is active. Let's see if it's any different. And actually right here in the background, we have the air track going. Let's do some interviews, I guess. Yo, sick flip. You good, bro?
Yes, sir.
What do you think about it? It's a nice little microphone.
It's very nice. Cool.
You can clip it here, just like that.
Hey guys, it's very good.
Very good.
Very. Thank you.
Thank you too. Thanks for the support. Once again, it's quite windy. It's quite windy with the windscreen. So back here, that's a good 8 meters away. Let's go over there and let's see. And we're in the normal mode again. What's the plan, bro?
I make a backflip.
Backflip, let's do it. Nice, nice, nice. What's the plan?
Backflip.
All right, I give it a 6 out of 10. What's the plan?
Arabian.
Let's see. Yeah, getting better, getting better. Okay, back to the noise cancelling. We're back to the green mode. Let's see. What's the plan, bro?
Round off Arabian, round off back full.
Okay, and a long, nice combo. Let's see. Let's see. Nice. Oh, dub full at the end. Let's go.
I make a backflip on the belly. Here we go.
Let's do it.
Wow!
It's so windy, and the windscreen is doing such a great job.
It's very cold.
It's very cool. Yeah, it's true. Capturing that sound. Nice. Noise cancelling for both mics. I will grab one, obviously. You will get the second one. Okay, do it. Now you can hear me talking.
Hello, guys.
And you can hear him talking.
Go. Yes, sir. Very cool.
It's your turn. And you gotta talk during the combo.
Oh yeah.
And I'm a good 10 meters away now. Nice.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. And if you're done, you can just turn it off like that. I have the other one still going. Now back to the normal mode. But yeah, I think that concludes the test. Definitely great microphones, and even during a super windy day, perfect results. So yeah, if you want to sound like a pro, this is it. I absolutely love modular concepts. Their idea with the interchangeable plugs is a genius. And thanks to that, it will of course work for all platforms. It will work for Apple, it will work for Android, and it will work for basically every camera with a standard microphone jack. Amazing. And this is also a true all-in-one case right there. It will fit and store all parts nicely. It will recharge them. A great looking case, great build quality. I love it. Aside from the nice design and the great build quality, this system has an ultra long battery life of up to 30 hours. It's ready to use straight out of the box, and it also has all sorts of great audio tools built in, like a noise reduction functionality. So if you want to step up your production quality and sound like a professional, then this is it. You can also charge your device, for example your smartphone, while using it. Definitely a super handy feature, and you can also use this as a stereo recording system. And for a clean sound, it has automatic frequency hopping features built in, and also a powerful anti-interference protection. And by the way, if you haven't noticed, all these table scenes are recorded with the BOYALINK as well, straight into the camera. Great sound quality, great build quality, great concept, and definitely drippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it, and I will see you soon.